And in this video, looking at Romans chapter 8, verses 12 and 13. So then, brothers and sisters, we are under obligation not to the flesh to live according to the flesh, for if you are living in accord with the flesh, you are going to die. But if by the Spirit you are putting to death the deeds of the body, you will live. Now Paul turns to point out what the believer has been freed from apart from the law. Being no longer under the obligation of the law, neither is the believer under obligation to live as if they are under the condemnation of the law. And herein lies the true freeing power of the gospel. The flesh, this mortal body, because of sin, has no hope of resurrection. But with the Spirit of God indwelling the believer, the same Spirit that raised Christ from the dead, the believer has now been freed to live out from under the condemnation and guilt of the law. The substance of faith, the thing we put our faith in as Christians, is the death of Christ in our place and his subsequent resurrection. The death that we deserve to die is atoned for through Christ's sacrifice, and our faith in that act on his part ensures that we are indwelt by the same Spirit that raised him from the dead. Therefore, by that Spirit, we have the hope of resurrection and are freed from living in accordance with the flesh, which has been condemned to perish without the hope of resurrection.